Today, let's make potato porridge. I'm going to be showing us a very simple recipe for potato porridge. Okay, so I go ahead and peel the potato, wash it, and transfer to the pot. After that, I add water, just a very little quantity. You don't want it to be too watery. Then go ahead and add salt, garlic, ginger, and a little seasoning cube. I ensure everything added enters into the water, and after that I now cover the pot and allow it to boil for some minutes. So when it's already started boiling, I'll now go ahead and add some pepper, onions, and as well the red oil. Okay, so I'll go ahead and turn. When I'm making porridge, I actually like to give it a good stir. It helps the water to thicken pretty fast. All right, I'll cover and cook again for some minutes and now add my dry fish. I'm gently adding the fish on top because I don't want it to scatter. I want to eat it whole like this. So after adding the fish and cooking it for some time, I'll open the pot and add crayfish. At this time, I'll have to give it a stir. Try to turn it again so that the crayfish can get into the porridge and also help the water to thicken. All right, so after turning it, I say cover it and cook it for some more minutes. Just use your discretion, know how many minutes you need to cook it. And when I feel the fish is well cooked, I'll now bring it out, take out the fish, and go ahead with my vegetables. Now I'm adding the vegetables when the potato and the fish are all cooked properly. The vegetables I have here are spring onions, green bell pepper, and carrots. So after adding the vegetables, I go ahead and give it a good stir. I turn it very well for everything to mix properly, and come on, look at this porridge. It's so yummy. It's really delicious. All right, would you try this at home? I'm sure you're going to like it. One thing I actually like about this porridge potato is that it can actually serve as breakfast or either for lunch or even for dinner. So you don't need to bother yourself too much when you're preparing it. And it's very simple to prepare. It's very delicious. Yes, it's very healthy as well. And it's also very good for someone that is trying to maintain a healthy weight. So this is the fish and the porridge. Yummy.